Hi YouTube, it's your girl Lauren Simone back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing cinnamon roll waffles. I'm using my little waffle iron. I'll show you the link at the bottom. I forgot who it's by. I have Pillsbury Cinnamon Rolls today. Really good, yum yum yum. I also have some cinnamon here, ground cinnamon. You can get it from anywhere. And then I'm going to be just buttering this with some butter. Any butter works. You can use oil if you want, but I just used butter so it can just be a buttery taste. And I'm just gonna like butter the waffle iron. I have it already plugged in, so it's already warm. This thing gets pretty hot. I'm gonna like not even use the directions. I'm just gonna go in with this. I've made it before. It's pretty easy to open. I'm gonna just use a knife for myself. You can use a spoon as well. And then I'm going to be just taking the cinnamon rolls out and laying them on the plate. So then I'm using my thumbs in order to spread out the cinnamon rolls. You'll see in a second. I'm gonna use both of my thumbs to just spread each cinnamon roll out in order for it to spread better on the waffle iron here. So yeah, just using my thumbs, and then that way it makes a huge shape. That way it's able to mold the mini waffle. And then I'm going to be placing it down for about 2 to 3 minutes. It just all depends on, you know, how long you want it to be on there. And then you can just check on it like I will be checking on it. If it's not done, just be sure to just press it back down and just wait until it is done. I use a little knife to just check. And if it's not, like I said, just push it down. Perfect, came out super pretty and perfect and soft. So I'm just going to be continuing to do this. This doesn't need my commentary. I'm just going to continue to make these small waffles for you guys. So for this part, I actually combined 2 of the cinnamon rolls to make a major big cinnamon roll. It's really cool how I did that one, just because I wanted to see how it would look to be a full-size waffle. I added some cinnamon as well so it can have extra flavor. But for this one, you're gonna have to take your time and actually like continually to watch it, because it's not gonna be finished after like the same time as the smaller waffles. It's more dough. So I would say like 4 to 5 minutes for this one, because as you can see, I continued to like add it back into the waffle iron because it wasn't done in the middle. But after it was done, it looked so nice and crispy. So I did it again for another waffle. So you'll just see me do this again. Okay, voila, I'm done with my waffles. They came out great. I made 4 small ones and 2 large ones. Now it's time to ice them. I just iced them with a regular butter knife. You can use as much icing as you want to, but yeah, I ended up using the whole thing just because I love icing. I wanted to make it taste delicious. If you use regular cinnamon rolls, if you made it the same regular way, you would definitely use all of it. So yeah, I used the whole thing here. So you're just gonna see me ice them. right, and everything seems to be looking perfect, but we want to add one more ingredient to make this set off, which is my ground cinnamon. I like to add on top of my cinnamon roll waffles here. You don't have to add this. This is very much optional, but I like to add an extra cinnamony taste to my waffles here. So yeah, this is a perfect recipe for the kids, for the family. My family love these waffles, my brother especially. It's a different way to eat cinnamon rolls. So good, so yummy, and easy to make. This waffle iron was so cheap. You can get it at Target as well as Amazon. I will have all the links below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like for more content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.